Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, after completing explanation and exercise number 1 of chapter 7, today we will do second exercise of lesson 7, that is take the correct option. Okay, student? Now, one more thing. Student, those who have science book, please do your work in your science book, and student who don't have science book will do your work in your science copy. Okay, now let's start. Now student, first of all mention the date. Now what is date? Yes, today date 30 October 2020. Okay, now then mention the CW. Okay, now CW. Now start. Take the correct answer. Now student, first statement is two main parts of a plant are. Now student, you have four options. First, fruit and shoot. Now B, leaf and shoot. C, fruit and root. And D, root and shoot. Student, already I have explained about parts of plant. Yes, two main parts of a plant are roots and shoot. Now the shoot grows up and roots grow downwards. Okay, now then option number A, fruits and shoot, B, leaf and shoot, and C, fruit and roots are wrong. Now correct option, root and shoot. Now we will tick option number D. Okay, now clear? Second is rose, hibiscus and tomato have. Now first option number A, fibrous root, B, taproot, C, fibrous root and fibrous shoot, and D, tap shoot. Okay, students, already I have explained about taproot. Taproot consists of a main thick root which grows from the end of the stem. Many small roots arise from the main root. Now example of taproot, like people, hibiscus, rose and tomato. Now student, what is your question? Rose, hibiscus and tomato have. So option number A, fibrous root, C, fibrous shoot and D, tap shoot are wrong. So now correct option is taproot. Okay, now taproot. Third, thin tubes running across a leaf are called. Now options A, leaf blade, B, stomata, C, vein and D, roots. Students, already I have explained about leaf. Yes, some lines running across on the lower surface of the leaf. These lines are tubes called veins which carry water and minerals to the leaf. Now students, there are two types of veins. First is main vein. Okay, now main vein, and second is side vein. You can see in this diagram, this is main vein and these all side veins. Okay, now clear? So student, in question number 3, option number A leaf blade, B stomata and D roots are wrong. Now correct answer is vein. Okay, now vein. Now fourth, which of the following makes food for the plant? Now your option A leaf, B root, C flower and D fruit. Now student, already I have explained this. The main function of the leaves making food for plants. Student, you know our food is cooked in the kitchen. Similarly, plant food is made in leaves. So leaf is called kitchen of the plant or food factory of plant. So student, option number B root, C flowers and D fruit are wrong. Now correct option is A. Okay, now A. Fifth, tiny pores present on the lower surface of leaves are called option A veins, B side veins, C roots and D stomata. So, student, you know plants breathe through tiny pores present on the leaves. These tiny pores are called stomata. So student, option A veins, B side veins, C roots are wrong. Now correct answer is stomata. Okay, now clear? Now student, listen properly to these statements I am retelling you. Okay, now first, two main parts of a plant are correct answer root and shoot. Okay, now second, rose, hibiscus and tomato have taproot. Now thin tubes running across a leaf are called veins. Now fourth, which of the following makes food for the plant? Yes, answer is leaf. Fifth, tiny pores present on the lower surface of leaves are called stomata. Student, today I told you tick the correct option. I hope you all must have understood well. Now student, homework, learn tick the correct option of lesson 7. Have a nice day. Thank you.